same time, we, the Philippine Consulate General, we responded as soon as we heard of the news. We deployed some staff to the area. We put up a booth. I think the Indonesian Consulate General was also there with us, together with the Hong Kong Labor Department and the Immigration Department, to be able to quickly and more conveniently help those who were affected, especially those who needed their documents replaced. And at the same time, we provided them counseling, psychological counseling, for them to be able to cope with the stress, anxiety, the trauma that they went through during that very tragic period. So the message I guess that I want to deliver this afternoon is for us, all of us here, to be able to have the basic skills to respond to emergencies, like what happened in Taipo. I think everyone across the board, whether you're the president or you're an ordinary citizen, everyone must have those basic skills. And we will, of course, do our best to help impart those skills with the cooperation and support of our colleagues from the Hong Kong government. This is something that actually that we all do wherever we go. I mean, Philippine consulates and embassies abroad, we always try to provide our community with the information, skills, and training if needed for them to be able to cope in times of emergencies. Because this is what experts say, you cannot expect the government to be there for you in the first hours of any crisis or emergency, be it typhoon, flood,